Imagine a general who didn't just study enemy defenses, but their farming schedule. In ancient Greece, war wasn't always about swords and shields. Sometimes the deadliest weapon was the harvest calendar. Because if you attacked at the right time, when crops were ripening or fields were bare, you didn't just win battles. You starved entire cities. Ancient generals had a calendar more important than any battle plan. For Greek city-states, agriculture wasn't background noise. It was the economy. Grain, olives, wine, the lifeblood of every polis. Generals quickly learned that destroying crops during harvest or burning fields before planting could cripple rivals faster than months of siege. This wasn't random. Campaigns were planned around the agricultural cycle, not just military readiness. An invasion in spring could destroy seed reserves. A summer raid could torch fields heavy with grain in a world without modern logistics. Losing one harvest could mean famine, rebellion, or surrender. During the Peloponnesian War, Sparta mastered the art of harvest warfare. Each summer, Spartan armies invaded Attica, not to conquer Athens directly, but to burn its crops. They knew the Athenians depended on surrounding farmland for food. By timing their attacks just before harvest, they forced Athens to rely on expensive imports and dwindling reserves. The result? Economic exhaustion and eventual collapse. It was a slow bleed, a war of fields, not forts. What made this strategy so devastating was its silence. No epic duels or famous victories, just smoke rising from the horizon and ruined farmland. Farmers became the first casualties. A single torch could undo a year's labor. Greek generals knew morale was tied to harvest. When families couldn't eat, the polis couldn't fight. It was psychological warfare wrapped in economic destruction. This harvest warfare reveals something deeper about ancient strategy. Greeks understood that war wasn't just about soldiers. It was about systems. Destroying food meant destroying stability, trade, and politics. Even alliances shifted based on grain shortages. It's the ancient version of economic sanctions or blockades. Today, we think of wars fought over resources, but the Greeks fought through them. In ancient Greece, the sharpest weapon wasn't bronze or iron. It was timing. The rhythm of war followed the rhythm of the harvest. And those who mastered it could bring nations to their knees without ever breaching a wall. Because long before modern economics, ancient generals already knew, control the food and you control the future. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share it, and subscribe this channel if not yet. Please let me know your feedback on the comment box about this video. What should be the next video?